This is Sovrun, your guide to financial literacy. Today we're breaking down the single number that separates winners from losers. In 2023, AI-powered trading strategies were everywhere. Huge returns, flashy dashboards. But when analysts dug into the profit factors, some were barely above 1. All that hype, and the math said barely profitable. Welcome to Profit Factor. Profit Factor tells you the bang for your buck. If you made $3 for every $1 you lost, your profit factor is 3. Made exactly as much as you lost, that's 1.0, break even. Below 1, you're losing money. Think of it like a seesaw. If the profit side weighs more than the loss side, you're tilting in the right direction. A profit factor of 1 means the seesaw is perfectly balanced, breaking even. Here's the formula. Profit factor equals gross profits divided by gross losses. Say a trader had $45,000 in winning trades and $30,000 in losing trades. Step 1, divide. 45,000 divided by 30,000 gives 1.5. That means for every dollar lost, you earned $1.50. But here's the key. A profit factor of 2 doesn't mean you win twice as often. It means your total wins are twice your total losses. It's about dollars, not frequency. So what do the real numbers look like? The average retail day trader, a profit factor of just 0.9, losing money. A marginal strategy sits around 1.3. Good strategies aim for 1.5. The S&P 500 by year, about 2.5, and Renaissance Technologies, above 3.0. The gap between amateur and professional is staggering. Jim Simon's Medallion Fund is legendary, with a reported profit factor above 3. Compare that to a study by the SEC, which found that 70% of retail Forex traders had profit factors below 1.0. 70% losing money in total dollars. The difference between professional and amateur often comes down to this single number. Here's the bottom line. Profit factor combines everything into one number. Win rate, position size, risk management, all of it. Above 1, you're making money. Below 1, you're not. It's the ultimate truth. No story can argue with the math. And profit factor isn't just for trading. It's business revenue versus cost, gambling expected value, even customer lifetime value versus acquisition cost. Follow Sovrun for more financial insights.